In this section, we will learn about maps, geographical coordinates, markers, and geocoding. A map is a visual representation of an area, typically showing geographical features such as roads, buildings, and bodies of water. In this picture, you can see a map showing Eiffel Tower in Paris. You can enhance the map to show objects that are relevant to your website. The Google Maps API is a set of tools and services that allows developers to embed Google Maps into their websites or applications. To indicate a point of interest on a map, we need its geographical coordinates to specify its location on the surface of the Earth. A position consists of two values, latitude and longitude. On the bottom left of this video, you see a latitude and longitude pair. Go ahead and search them on the internet to discover what location they are describing. You are right, these are the coordinates for Eiffel Tower in Paris. There are 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. Latitude specifies a location's position in the north-south direction. The equator is an imaginary line that goes through the middle of the Earth and has 0-degree latitude. Latitude is negative south of the equator and positive north of the equator. The latitude for Eiffel Tower is 48.8584. Longitude is used to specify a location's position in the east-west direction. The primary meridian is an imaginary line from the north to the South Pole and passes through the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, England. The prime meridian longitude is 0. Longitude is negative west of the prime meridian and positive east of the prime meridian. The longitude for Eiffel Tower is 2.2945. Zoom is a positive number that defines the resolution or detail shown on the map. The range of zoom can be between 0 to 21. At 0 zoom level, the entire world is visible, and at 21 zoom level, streets and individual buildings are visible. The pictures on the right side shows the Eiffel Tower in Paris at different zoom levels. Here are some examples of commonly used zoom levels. At zoom 1, the whole world is visible. At zoom 5, you can see big landmasses and continents. At zoom level of 10, you can see cities. And at zoom level 15, you can see streets, and at zoom 20 and above, you can see details of individual buildings. A marker is a visual indicator on a map that represents a specific location or point of interest. In this picture, we use a red marker to indicate the Eiffel Tower on the map. You can change marker colors and use images as custom markers on a Google map. A path is a set of one or more locations connected by a line. You will use a path to show routes or connections between locations on a map. In the picture, the blue line is a path between 2 locations. In day-to-day life, we don't use geographical coordinates to describe locations, but instead use physical addresses like Eiffel Tower, Paris. Converting a physical address into geographical coordinates is known as geocoding. The Google Map Geocoding service allows you to convert physical addresses into geographical coordinates that can be used on a Google map.